problem that I had you guys do. Hopefully you guys found the solution quickly. So a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 r to the first, which is equal to 1/3 times 1/16, which is 1 over 48. And then a sub 3 is equal to 1/3 times 1/16 to the second power. 16 squared is 256. Alright. Then we take 256, multiply it by 3, you get 768. So that's 1 over 768. And a sub 4 is going to be a sub 1 r to the third power. So 1/3 times 1 over 16 to the third power. 16 times 16 times 16. So of course be 4096. 4096 times 3 is of course 12/288. So we get a sub 4 is equal to 1 over 12/288. Lastly, a sub 5, a1 r to the fourth equals 1/3 1 over 16 to the fourth power.
At UCLA, when we say it begins with you, that's more than just a slogan. To us,
16 to the fourth, 65/536. Multiply by 3 is of course 196/608. So 1 over 196/608. There you go. The first 5 terms of the sequence. And a sub 1 is already 1/3. They gave that to you. Alright, so continuing on with we can also find any terms of the given sequence to find depending on what I give you. Let's say, for example, I am a jerk and decide to give you a problem like this. So find the 50th term of the sequence. It's giving a2 is equal to 3. And then a sub 5 is equal to, say, 1/9. Okay. Now that may seem like an impossible problem. It is of course not impossible. Okay. You don't know what R is, and that's okay. You're not given R. So you need to find it. A sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 times r to the first power, which a sub 2 is of course 3. You know a sub 5 is equal to a sub 1 times r to the fourth. R to the fourth power, which is okay, right? So if I solved for a2, I know if I solve for a1 in this situation, I can plug it back in, divided by r. So a2 is equal to a3 over r. So a1 is equal to A2 divided by R. I plug that back into the equation. I plug this where I see A1, and I get A to the 5th is equal to A sub 2 divided by R multiplied by R to the 4th. That kills that once, end it with 3. So A to the 5th is equal to A sub 2 R to the 3rd power. I have both these numbers. I can figure out what R is now. So A sub 5th is 1/9 is equal to 3 times R to the 3rd power divided by 3 multiplied by 3. R to the 3rd is equal to 1/27. And R is equal to 1/3 because I take the cube root of both sides, and the cube root of 27 is 3. So that's that madness. Now that you know that, you can find the 50th term. Now I could have done this without even finding R, which I'll show you real quickly. So once you know what R is, A sub 50, A sub 1 times R to the 49th power. We don't need to know what A sub 1 is because we know it's A2 divided by R. And then this is R to the 49th power. That kills that once, 48. So we get A sub 2 R to the 48th power. This is A to the 50th. You know what A2 is because you found it. You know what A2 is because it's given to you. You know what R is because we just found it. So this becomes 3. R is 1/3, so 1/3 of the 48th power. And that is a ridiculously small number. So you bust out your calculators and you figure out what it is. So 3 to the 48th power. So it's going to be 1/3 to the 47th power. And we'll use scientific notation. It's 1/2.66 times 10 to the 22, which is really a small number. Okay. We'll take a break and we'll come back.